out. Someone definitely wants me gone. Be careful, something's not right here.
I never thought I'd find you here. It's been a long time. All right, this has got to work. Push, push.
The damage here is extensive. I'll need to stabilize this rod before we can even think about moving it.
Severe pitting. That's gone right through. Oh wow. What do you think, boss? We need to patch this immediately.
Almost there. Just a little bit more. Got it. Finally.
All right, got that angle. Now for the cheek. Okay, looks good.
Looks good. Now for the primer. Looks good. Checked and ready.
Nice work, looks solid.
Verified those patches. All right, time to patch this up. Careful now, don't want to make it worse. Got it. Precision work, done. Back it up, easy. Hold it. Let's hook her up.
Set. Secure. Hooked up.
Go ahead and give it a try. Roger that. Keep it slow. Easy now. All right, these ought to do it. Heavy enough to pull anything. Yeah. Just need to get this hitched right, then we'll be set. There. Locked on. Now for the strap. All right, that's through. Now for the shackle. Got it. Looks sturdy.
All right, easy does it. Copy that. Moving slow. Watch the rust on the wheels.
Time for a bath, Thomas. Thanks, I needed this. All right, let's get this thing cleaned up. That's the stuff. Look at that red paint come through. Slow back it up, a little to the left. Stop.
You got it, all clear.
All right, she's ready. Let's get her loaded.
Okay, keep tension. Pulling steadily. What's the angle? Almost there. Rolling onto the deck.
Keep it steady. Watch the angle.
Slowly. That's good.
The
Almost there,
legendary
just a
steam
bit more.
locomotive #1 is now just a cold, lifeless
All right, that
mass
one's
of
solid.
iron,
Almost there.
devoured by
Got
nature. Its famous green
Check
paint
all
has
of them.
peeled away,
Looks ready to roll.
giving way to rust and moss. Its once friendly, smiling face is now cracked and lifeless, staring into the silent void. Trees grow through the chassis. Vines cling tightly to the chimney as if trying to hold it to Mother Earth forever. But we are not here to witness its decay. We are here to awaken it. Nature does not easily let go of what it has claimed.
Well, Thomas, looks like we've got our work cut out for us. This is going to be quite the project. I know, but you can do it.
Extensive rust and a large puncture on the smoke box. Structural integrity compromised. Recommend immediate assessment of the boiler.
All right, the nuts are off.
Okay, lift it. Steady, it's heavy.
Watch the wheel. Almost there.
Clear. Put it on the mat carefully.
The thickness is 7.35 millimeters. The corrosion is severe. Come on, you old thing. Finally, got it. All right, come on, just a little further. There we go. All right, here we go. It's stuck tight. Ooh, give it everything you've got. There, it's moving.
God, that's a lot of rust and leaves. It's really packed in there. All right, this is the last piece. Careful now, that's heavy. Got it. Good.
Come on, you old beast. Just a little more. There. Got it.
Keep it steady. We're clear of the frame now. Move it to the left. Keep it steady. Good, the rust is coming off. Adjust the pressure slightly, don't want to damage the steel.
All right, tanks are secure. Checking the flow on the acetylene. Seems good.
Ford pickup truck rolls, its wheels spinning in the mud, cables taut like guitar strings. Inch by inch, the multi-ton mass of steel stirs and awakens. The metal groans. The rotting wood crumbles beneath the iron wheels. Thomas was dragged through the mud, heavy and painful. But finally, it escaped the forbidden forest. At
Almost
the workshop, the magic began with high-pressure water jets. The thick layer of mud accumulated over 4 decades
one
was
more
blown
hit.
away, revealing the gleaming gold #1 and the original patches of green still stubbornly clinging on. It was a satisfying feeling to see the bright
All right
red
there,
wheels
Thomas, let's get you
reappear.
looking like
But
new
cleaning
again.
wasn't enough.
Just a little
To
more
save
filler
Thomas,
right here.
we had to disassemble everything.
The paint is perfect. Thank you.
The wheels are stripped, ready for prime. Looking good. And Thomas is ready for the finish coat. Perfect progress. All right, time to secure this last board. Just need a few more shots. Yeah, that looks solid.
Measure twice, cut once.
Oh.
Looks perfect.
Almost done now. Just one more cut. Fits perfectly, good as new. Okay, let's check this again. Looking good. Just need a final adjustment here. All right, that's perfect. "17 inches exactly. Good.
Every rusty screw, every drive shaft, and even that iconic face. Everything was taken apart. Inside was a chaotic mess of rust and time. We cut away the rotten parts, patched the boiler's damage, and polished every tiny detail until the metal shone again. And this is where the story takes a different turn. We didn't just want to restore a machine, we wanted to create a living work of art. Inside the belly of this steel monster, a new space is taking shape. Pink insulation is applied, and a wooden frame is erected. Warm oak flooring replaces the cold iron floor. We meticulously measured every curve, cladding the walls with delicate whitewood planks and creating an
Almost there. Next. Perfect fit. Almost there. Okay, perfect. Wires connected and in. Perfect. Warm light.
Jest na deskę do giganty.
All right, perfect. Just what I needed. Nanti GPX 6 sama decay.
That's perfect. Finally working. All right, just a little higher. Fits perfectly. Done. All right, time to tackle this one. Oh, perfect fit. Good job, me.
Artistically curved ceiling, from a dusty engine compartment. A modern, well-equipped kitchen emerges with wooden countertops and a white porcelain sink. A cozy bedroom with a comfortable bed sits beside a round window where the sunset can flood in every afternoon. Small decorative details like vintage hurricane lamps and model trains create a magical blend of industrial past and comfortable present. The interior work is complete, now it's time for the final piece. Thomas's face, after meticulous repainting, has regained its radiant former appearance. It is reassembled, like a soul returning to its body. A gleaming black chimney, a vibrant blue body, sharp red stripes. Thomas has truly been reborn.
All right, that looks level. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Down we go.
I did it. Oh, look at this.
All right, perfect.
Looks solid.
Modernization achieved.
Almost there. Just a few more details and it'll be perfect.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Easy, easy. Don't scratch it. Almost there. Up it.
Perfect. She's sitting right where she needs to be.
Perfect fit. Now to make it shine. There, good as new.
All right, slowly to the left. Just a bit more. Perfect. Perfect. Now press it down. Got it. Looks great. All right, Thomas, ready to see the world again? fits perfectly. Now for the wires. Just need to tighten this one and this one. Good to go.
Time to wake up. Ready the fuel. We're going home.
The workshop doors opened. The sunlight once again greeted the old friend. The furnace blazed. The pressure gauge needle slowly rising. White steam erupted powerfully, and then the train whistle echoed across the sky. The wheels rolled smoothly on the tracks. Through the forests, gliding in the wind. No longer a forgotten pile of scrap metal.
You ready, Thomas?
Was now a unique mobile home. Carrying dreams and aspirations.
Go show the world.
Sitting in the cozy room. Watching the scenery pass by through the
Engine,
round
move out.
We understand that nothing truly ends if we have enough passion to start again. Welcome back, Thomas.
Ah, that hits the spot. Best coffee on the rails. Agreed, always good.
Welcome home, Thomas.
The beginning was tough. Look at us now. Thanks. Thanks. I couldn't have done it without you.